Hey guys, Uncle Pip here, and welcome to the May 2022 farm vlog video. But first, let's go put some air in the tires. This month I'm hoping to change the oil in this. You may have questions, to which I will answer them. Inside the plug, there's a little hole. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's what I was scraping out there with that wrench. The reason I was using a funnel is because there's a dent in this, and that dent makes it so the drain plug is actually at an angle. Take these cultivator mounts off of this. Well, here's the update. Now, what you'll notice is, as I described earlier, I took the cultivator mounts off. Those are laying out in the grass now. And we might even get to clean this up. That's been laying there like that for way too long. Moved all that pile of stuff, put it on top of the thrasher there. That's drying for the time being. Then I'll fold it and pack it away. As you can tell, I finished the mowing project and forgot to record it. So everything is all up to date with the mowing. I need to move this and mow around it now. But other than that, everything else is done, mowing wise. Finally got the trailer moved. Here's a quick before shot. I just got the trailer hooked up and pulled into the field. We'll see what happens. Plans to take everything out of there and get it ready. Got the tent up. That's nice. That's the command tent, 1945. Just another shot. Home sweet home. Alright, well, let's try this here. Nope. Nope. Why is it... There we go. Nope. 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 Hey! Look at that! It worked! I decided to take a minute here to take a break from the tractors and from the farm and kind of explain to you a little bit more about me. I was thinking I should probably give you a little bit more of a background information on the channel and on me as a person too. I am a World War II living historian. I don't personally use the term reenactor too often anymore. I don't like doing a lot of reenacting. I do more living history. I prefer to go to events and display to the public what a World War II camp would look like. I'm in an Army Air Corps unit. I mostly portray the Armed Forces radio service. Obviously, I'm trying to start out with a small farm, and this channel has mostly been me documenting that. That's why the monthly farm vlog is about that. I do enjoy studying World War II history. That's why I actually posted 2 of my interviews with World War II veterans on this channel. And I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. The first one I put up was at the request of the family. Altogether, I've probably done about 50 or 60 World War II veteran interviews. Certainly met many more than that. That's the tent that I'm sitting in right now is actually a 1945 command tent. It is an original, and the reason I set it up this week is to get it ready for the next event that I'm going to in about 2 or 3 weeks, and there's a lot of preparation that goes into it, and that's why we're out here. That's why I have that enclosed trailer. Actually, the enclosed trailer has been a storage trailer for me essentially, and I've been keeping a lot of my stuff in there, in addition to farm stuff as well. It's not just World War II stuff, but that was originally the intended purpose. The house has a lot of stuff in it too. And I'll take you to an event with me, and I'll show you my display. I think you might enjoy it. Hope you do, at least. So that's one aspect. That's why I bought the 1943 Ford GPW, the yellow Jeep. You might remember the 1948 CJ2A I bought. I actually bought that for parts for the yellow Jeep. I'm a firm believer in the 5 Ps. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. And that's what we're doing today. Kind of recapping the list that I have going on here in my life in general. Finishing the buddy seat on that Farmall BN. I did not get that finished. Mowing situation with the mower. I did the math up. That mower deck will not fit on the BN. So there's that. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. There's some ways around it. We'll figure it out. The yellow Jeep needs to get finished. Needs to get started on. It needs new brakes. So that really should be on the forefront soon. I was hoping to get the tractor done this week, but apparently that's not going to happen. So we'll reevaluate the situation as it goes along, and I'll bring you with me for the whole journey. But yeah, the tractor and the Jeep are the 2 big things. Getting this tent set up and fixed was a big thing. I hope you like it. I guess that'll wrap things up for this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. Probably not, but that's okay. I had fun making it.